Hi everybody, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, July the 20th in the year 2024. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. You are watching Allie's View, guys, and this video is going to be brief. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on where I am and where I finished last week. Guys, last week I didn't really make a lot of moves. You guys know the market decided to take a bit of a downward spiral with all the news and things that we've had going on here lately. I had been in the Palantir call option. I did take a little bit of profits on that, and I actually got back in when the prices went down. So their earnings, as you guys know, are coming up. I'm going to see whether I can ride that. I did take a little bit of profit from the forward call options. Of course, forward has their earnings coming up this coming week. So I may get back into another one of those. You guys know I'm no financial advisor, but I like to keep you guys up on what I'm doing here in the portfolio. As you guys know, I'm clawing my way to 100K, and just wanted to come out here, give you guys a quick shout out, let you guys know, like I said, we are at the end of week number 29. Today is July the 20th, and thank you all for bearing with me as I've been uploading these videos and trying to make sure I get them all up on the channel. But I'm clawing my way to 100K, and thank you guys for coming along with me. I'm going to see what continues to happen as I ride the Palantir train. Going to keep clawing with Palantir in this portfolio. Anyway, guys, hope you all have had a fantastic day, guys. If you're interested in getting a trading journal, there's a link in the description for one that I've created. It's a really neat resource that you may consider looking into if you want to keep track of your trades. Also, my personal emergency log, what a valuable resource. It's really a way for you to keep up with information that's valuable and very, very important to you, such as financial information, passwords, the kind of thing that you may be a little bit leery about putting them in your phone with all the different kinds of cyber attacks and breakdowns that we got going, whether it be your smartphone, your computer, any kind of tablet or electronic device. This information is what you can put, or the information that you can put inside of my personal emergency log. Is something that you can actually have as tangible. You can put it in a secret place, tell someone that you want to know. It's got all kinds of neat information. Take a look at the description. I'll show you another copy of it in a future video. And don't forget, if you drive a car or you know someone who does, think about the Upside app. Great way to get cash back. Use the Upside app and consider using my referral link. It's also in the description. If you want to learn about trading, identifying buyer levels and seller levels when banks are buying and selling in the stock market, consider Terry Egioma's course. There is a link in the description. And guys, as you all know, I'm clawing my way to 100K right now. I'm going to see what happens with this Palantir call option that I just got back into on Friday when prices were a little bit low. It was at the money at the time, or right just above the money. So we'll see what happens. I'm hoping Palantir can run like it did for their last earnings. This time, your girl will get out. She's not going to try to stay in the wave. She will get out. Anyway, thank you guys. If you're new to the channel, like I said, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You are watching Allie's View. I'm Allie, and let's look at my portfolio. Let's go. Enjoy the rest of your day and weekend. Okay, everybody, as I said, we are at the end of week number 29, and here we are inside of my portfolio. You can kind of see the loss that I took overall for the week this past week. I will be getting that back. I did get into CrowdStrike. I meant to mention that you guys know CrowdStrike crashed the latter part of the week. I think it was on Friday as a result of the cyber. Well, we don't know exactly what it was. We just know a lot of major corporations could not use their resources, and CrowdStrike was a part of that. So, or they were a company engaged in that, and their stock dropped. You know, CrowdStrike had been as high as what, $345 a share, and you know what? Let's just go see. CrowdStrike right now is hovering around. What is the price of CrowdStrike? Right now, CrowdStrike is sitting at 302.16. Of course, you guys know we're after market. Market's closed right now. It is Saturday evening, Saturday night, I should say. I have a break-even price because this is far, far, far out of the money of 440. Of course, you guys know the goal is to just get the stock to be moving in the direction that we want. And again, this ends on Friday, so we'll see what happens. It was a nickel, and it's down to $3 right now, so we'll see what happens. with CrowdStrike. I just need CrowdStrike to go north. We'll see. All right, you guys know I talked about Palantir. And I have the 2 call options. This is the one that I told you guys that I got into on Friday the 19th. It expires on August the 2nd. My goal is to see Palantir start to move beyond 30, sell it, and maybe buy it back in, take some profit. That's what I'm going to do with Palantir, because one thing that I learned the last time with Palantir and their earnings is that Palantir will run up going into its earnings, and then all of a sudden it'll crash back down. Who knows what the future will hold, and each earning scenario can be quite different. But that's what I'm anticipating. I do believe that Palantir, now that it's gotten past some resistance, has the potential to go beyond 30. I'm no financial advisor, you guys know that. But that's what I'm thinking as far as Palantir. I'm optimistic. I really think Palantir has the potential to get beyond 30. You guys know I mentioned 28.50. It broke 28.50, and now right now it's kind of settled at 28.58. I've seen it as high as, let's go look at the Palantir high, PLTR. Let's go look at the high. I want to say it was at 29.57 or 29.72, something like that. This week, 29.49 is what we see on here. But let's just go look at the high down here. 29.83 is as high as Palantir has been. So we know, or I believe, that it has the potential to go as high as 29.83. And you guys know what my break-even price is on the call options, or this one in particular. The break-even is 29.72. So I just need it going from 28.58 beyond and to 29.72. I'd like for it to go beyond. I'd like for it to go to 30.72, 31.72, maybe even go close to 35. Wouldn't that be great? Anyway, guys, that's what your girl is doing with Palantir. You guys know I already had this one for a while, and it's farther out of the money. And with everything we've got going on in the economy right now, who knows? I always like to let you guys take a glimpse at what's going on in this little portfolio. You can see right here, nothing other than what I just shared with you. So let's go see what's going on with RUNE. RUNE has been bullish these past couple of hours. RUNE is sitting right now at, I think, around $5. Right at $5. You guys know when I originally got in, it was $9.85. I had built it up to 100 RUNE token. I sold some of those, and I got to buy back in. I want to get back to 100. But anyway, you guys can see where I'm sitting right now with the RUNE and what the total value. As you guys know, I'm clawing my way to 100K and just showing you how I'm getting there. Coinbase, this is where my IMX is, immutable. You guys know how I feel about immutable. I've talked about it before. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And as far as IMX, IMX right now is at $1.67. That's up 6 cents. Not a whole lot, as you guys know, but that's in one day. If you look at the week's been pretty bullish, up 31 cents. And of course, you guys know with IMX, it goes up, it comes down, but I'm optimistic about where it's going to be in the long run. So this is where we are. I've still got 64 IMX, immutable token, 64.9 to be exact. The price right now is sitting at $1.67, and you can see the total value of the portfolio. That's all I've got right now, guys. I hope you guys have had a fantastic day and a wonderful weekend so far. If you're new to the channel, like I said, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. You're watching Allie's View, and I'm clawing my way to 100K. Hey, guys, take a look at the Allie's View shop. Get yourself a Let's Go item and enjoy the rest.